So let me tell you today, after seeing the Kangen demonstration and science part of it, most of the people are asking whether Kangen water is really curing any disease or not. Before going into this, we just need to understand why the disease are occurring in our body. The primary reason for any disease to occur in body is the acid load, or we call it as a acidosis. That means more of acid production in your body. This is one. The second one is the hypoxia, that is lack of oxygen. Now, in absence of oxygen, cells are also not getting proper nutrients, okay? That's how the compromise starts. Our blood pH is 7.4. By nature, we are slightly alkaline. Now, when there is more of acid production in your body, that means there is an imbalance of acid base. It is already been proven most of the disease or the chronic illness which are occurring is because of this acidic environment or because of this acidic stress level. How will I maintain my pH balance? The normal pH balance you can maintain through your lifestyle change and definitely through diet. Now, water being the most important in our life, the very reason our body contains more than 70% water. Now just imagine if you are putting 70% of your right water in your body. I personally feel that means my 70% of my problem can be solved by just putting the right water or the good water. The other aspect is all this acid accumulation in your body, it also need to be flushed out, or it also need to be eliminated from your system. When we drink Kangen water, it has some unique good properties. The first one is the alkalized, that means the alkaline property, which will neutralize all those acid part and also maintain the pH balance. This is one. Second, it is also having good antioxidant property. An antioxidant property will neutralize all those free radicals which are developing from your oxidative stress. Third one is the microcluster property. Microcluster property is a unique property in Kangen water which will superiorly hydrate your body. Once body is properly hydrated, that means it is getting properly nutrition and oxygen, and we have trillions of cells in our body. If that is taken care, I think that most of our problems are getting solved. And our body are designed in such a way that it can heal its own. If you drink Kangen water, it will promote your health and it will restore your health in original state. I personally suggest that if you have not seen Kangen water as of now, or you don't know much about Kangen water, I request you that you please see the demo once, or please understand the science once. Once you see the live demonstration and the product as well, then you will be able to judge yourself that whether Kangen water will really help you or not. So Kangen water is not meant for curing any disease. What it does, it promotes your health and restores your body in original state. I have also given the Kangen water demonstration link. You can also go through that, or if you want to see this in person, so you can reach to us. Thank you for watching this video.